Namaste students. Today's our topic is why competition. Why competition is good for business. Competition in the business world is a good thing, but have you ever stopped to wonder why? While many business owners hate their competition, they also recognize why competition is good for business. This includes the many benefits that come from it. Competition pushes your business to strive to be the absolute best, thus making your customers satisfaction your primary goal. Also, it keeps you constantly changing in order to stay ahead of the game. To be successful in a competitive market, you need to be at the forefront of new ideas and services. Consequently, business will often push themselves to achieve new goals that they otherwise never would have. In order to customers to really get the most out of an industry, competition is completely necessary. Here are some ways in which having competitors in business can be extremely advantageous and benefit everyone in the market. One of the most popular and well-known benefits of competition is how to allow for stronger innovation in any given industry. When you have constant competition, you need to make new and exciting offering to your client to stay relevant and ahead. These innovative ideas can push your company beyond expectation and even lead to new industries being created as a result. When innovation occurs, companies will offer something unique and different. Also, they will encourage others to branch out in ways they never would have thought. This allows creative minds to really push to boundaries of what expected, leading to more and more innovation every day. This does not only affect the business world, but it can affect the entire world as a whole. These innovations can often have a dramatic effect on the quality of life for many customers. These helping to move society to new heights. Without innovation, there would be no progress. Better quality products. When you have competition in any industry, the ultimate winners will always be the customers. This is because they are the ones who will be offered better and better quality products for significantly lower prices than they would be in a world where only one business had control. When there competition, the goal is to bring in as many customers to your site as possible. This will lead many business to lower prices while still maintaining a high level of quality. If one business can successfully offer this, then the rest of the business must be able to keep up. They must stay at the same level or go a step further for their company to stay in the game. The more competition there, the better of customers will be. They reap the benefits of having these business fight to provide the best possible option for the lowest possible price. Thank you. Thank you so much.